Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Yema Cheesecake. This guide will help you create a truly delicious dessert that's surprisingly simple to prepare. We'll walk through each step, from the crunchy crust to the luscious Yema topping. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this sweet, creamy, and utterly irresistible cheesecake. It's a perfect treat for any occasion, requiring just a few key ingredients and a little patience. First, let's create the foundation for our cheesecake, the crust. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of finely crushed graham crackers. Mix these thoroughly with 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter until well combined. Then, firmly press this mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This step is crucial for a sturdy base. Pop it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to chill and set while you prepare the filling. Now for the star of the show, the rich Yema filling. In a large bowl, beat 2 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of condensed milk and 4 large egg yolks, mixing until everything is perfectly combined. Don't forget to stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that extra touch of warmth. Once smooth, carefully pour this luscious Yema mixture over your chilled crust, spreading it evenly. Finally, it's time to bake our masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cheesecake for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still has a slight jiggle. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. This prevents cracking. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight, for the perfect firm texture. Enjoy your homemade Yema cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.